Your Windows PC is probably hiding gigabytes of junk files right now, and most people never even know these files exist. I'm not talking about the recycle bin. I'm talking about hidden Windows folders packed with temporary files, old update downloads, and leftover system cache that slowly eat away your storage and make your PC feel cluttered. In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you 5 powerful cleanup tricks built directly into Windows, plus one bonus command that can instantly free several gigabytes of space with a single line. No downloads, no third-party apps, and no tech skills needed. Also, I will put all the commands we use in this video in the description, so you can easily copy and use them later. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Now type %temp% and hit Enter. This folder is basically Windows junk drawer. Whenever apps install, updates, crash unexpectedly, or create temporary working files, a lot of that leftover data ends up here. And many programs never clean these files afterward. Some PCs have hundreds of megabytes here. Others have several gigabytes. Press Ctrl plus A to select everything. Then press Shift plus Delete to permanently remove the files without sending them to the recycle bin. If Windows says some files are currently in use, don't worry. That just means your system still needs them right now. Simply click Skip. Now, let's clean an even deeper Windows folder. Open Run again, and type %window%/temp. This is the system-wide temporary folder used by Windows itself. Over time, old installation files, update leftovers, temporary logs, and system cache can pile up here silently in the background. Select everything and delete it. Windows may ask for administrator permission here. Click Continue, and again. If some files refuse to delete, that's completely normal. Now here's a folder most people have never seen before. Open Run, and type %window%/softwaredistribute/download. This folder stores downloaded Windows update files. The problem is, Windows sometimes keeps old update packages long after updates are already installed. That means your PC could be wasting gigabytes of storage on files you no longer need. Open the folder, select everything, and delete the files. If a few files stay locked, it usually means Windows Update is currently active in the background. Next, press Windows plus R and type Cleanmer. This opens the classic Windows Disk Cleanup tool. Select your C drive and click OK. But here's the important part most people miss. Click Cleanup System Files. This unlocks deeper cleanup options, including Windows Update Cleanup, temporary system files, delivery optimization files, thumbnails, recycle bin, junk, and old cache data. Windows Update Cleanup removes old update files that Windows no longer needs. This can free a significant amount of storage space, but it may remove the ability to roll back some older updates. Some users recover 5, 10, or even 20 gigabytes from this step alone, depending on how long it's been since their last cleanup. Select the files you want to remove, and start the cleanup. One more hidden Windows folder. Open Run, and type Prefetch. This folder stores app launch cache data that helps Windows open programs faster. Windows normally manages this automatically, but over time, old entries from apps you no longer use can build up. Delete the files inside the folder, and if Windows blocks a few files, just skip. Now for the bonus trick that can instantly free massive storage space. Open Command Prompt as administrator, then type powerconfig-h off, and press Enter. This disables the Windows hibernation file. On some computers, especially laptops with lots of RAM, this single command can instantly recover several gigabytes of storage space. Just keep in mind that this also disables hibernate mode in Windows. And that's it. Your Windows PC is now cleaner, less cluttered, and you may have just recovered a surprising amount of storage space without installing a single app. Comment below how many gigabytes you managed to free up. And if you want more simple Windows tricks, hidden settings, speed up tips, and troubleshooting guides. Subscribe to Ashtech Solution. Thanks for watching.